Hello, hello, it's everybody's favorite Uncle Buddy, also known as the Sky Pirate, and welcome to my Sky Pirate YouTube channel. I'm making a little introduction video. I got some people coming up and got some followers, so I thought I'd let you all know who I am, what I do, and why I am. So anyway, I am a drone pilot. I love my drones, and I like to teach people how to fly drones. So if you would like to learn how to fly a drone, holler at me. I got my nice little Bebop 2 hanging there on the wall. That way if it gets wrecked, I ain't losing a lot of money. And it flies just as good as my Evo does. And it just doesn't take as good a video. It's only a 1080p, which my Evo can do 4K. But I can teach you how to set up a drone, how to fly a drone, the safety of flying a drone, where you can fly it, where you can't fly it, what you need to do to register when you get your own drone, and how much, all of that. I can even help you get your Part 14107 or Part 107 test done. Whatever you need when it comes to drones, I can help you with. But also, Hendrix Design and Solutions. Basically what that is I spent about 15 years in the industrial robotics field, and my specialty was mechatronics. I can build, basically make anything, design anything. I do a little bit of engineering. I do a lot of design work, R&D work. If you have a specialized machine you need built, now I'm not talking about $5 million machines. I'm not that big. But you need a solution for a Halloween display or a Christmas display. You want some animatronics in it or whatever, I got your back. And I mean, I've built everything from a ship unloader that's sitting down at port. I didn't build a ship unloader. I helped build it. A whole lot of people built that thing. But I can do that type of stuff as part of a team, but there's no way. I don't have the money to do that myself. But if you need anything like that, I can do some PLC programming, basically motor control, I/O, all of that. So give me a holler if you have any special solutions you need, or you got a project you need help with, you can't quite figure something out. But like I said, we can do inspections with the drone, we can take videos of your land. I'll tell you what, remember back in the several years ago, I think they did a lot of this in the 70s because my grandparents had one of their farm. The airplane would fly over, take a picture of your farm, and then they sell for a bunch of money. Well, I can do that with my drone, and I ain't gonna charge you that much. But just holler at me. I can do whatever you need. You need your land filmed, you need to do some inspections, check cattle, whatever. And I can teach you how to do it yourself if you'd like. So give me a holler. I'm Sky Pirate, 67 Baconator. That's my channel. You can get a hold of me on the comments down there, or email me at buddy67us@gmail.com. And Buddy Hendrix is my name on the YouTube, or excuse me, on the Facebook. So you can look me up there and I can help you out. Anyway, y'all have a good day. This is me, this is who I am, and this is what I do. Take her easy. Bye.